So supposedly I know. What do I know?
You know that you're sexy.
Oh, I know that I'm sleepy. But actually, I'm hungry. Oh, he sounds like Mr. Malik.
You're a silly goose.
I'm a silly goose.
I didn't know geese can be silly.
Me neither. Goodbye.
Help me.
I love you.
Excuse me.
Last night
Excuse me.
was funny. Oh, I think I'm confused though.
What if it's burned? I take that back. Hopefully it's not burned. Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it? No. Yeah, it is. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not. I'm confusing you, aren't I?
Hat.
Really?
Huh?